yun si Kuya, simple tahimik lang yan na tao. Pero, despite na tahimik at simple lang yan, but he's very kind sa family niya at sa mga staff niya. Napakabait din yan. Sobra. At saka po, talagang very supportive yan siya. Well, it's your special day, Kuya. So, I just want to say, happy birthday. More blessings to come. And away from illness pala, ang wish ko sa'yo. And a couple of success. More years to come. Happy birthday po and God bless po.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Salamat po sa lahat.
Bonus daw!
Namentang black ako.
Okay. May corona ako. Kasi, ako po ang Diyosa. Hindi ba obvious, di ba? Okay, so let's start. Ang aking message for your birthday ay, siguro I have 3 things to say to you. First and foremost, and probably the most important, I guess, is I want to say hi. Yun. Secondly is, I guess, I want to say hello. Third ay, important din, musta na yun. Diba? With a Z yun. Kasi we're text buddies. And then, ano pa ba? Joke lang. Sige, sabihin ko na nga. PS, happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday! And then, ano pa ba pwede ko sabihin? TTS, I love you! Love, love! Mama! Yun lang po. And this is your most beautiful daughter. Ako yun, ha? The most beautiful daughter, Jen.
Hi! Well, una, gusto kong i-clear at i-contest ko, sinabi ni ate kanina. Ako nga pala si Janelle, ang totoong most beautiful daughter mo. Ayun. Tapos, alam niyo ba kung bakit ako most beautiful daughter? Well, ako lang naman si Toya. Ako lang naman yung nakita yung picture kanina na may rabies. My God. Ay, shucks. Alam niyo ba? Kasi naman si ate, piling-pili yung pictures na nilagay niya doon. Kasi naman siya yung gumawa nun, di ba? Kadayaan. Papakita pa yung may rabies ako. Well, anyway, lumilis na tayo sa topic. I just want to say na happy birthday sa aming golden boy. Golden boy. Ayun, happy 50th birthday. Very good. Okay. Tapos yun, I love you, of course. And, yun lang. More birthdays to come. Bye-bye!
Hello! Happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday! Aging na tayo. So, for 50 years of your life, I thank you for all that we've been through, the good times and the bad, the best and the worst. I pray that we still be together for the rest of our life. I pray that you have a very long life with good health. So please stop smoking and take care of whatever health there is left of you. I just pray that we be together as family. We share everything through thick and thin, and we will always love you forever. Happy 50th birthday! Love you!
having the body to go. Them birthday cakes, they stole the show. So sexual, she was flexible, professional, drinking Xanol. Hold up, wait a minute, do I see what I think I will? Did a thing I seen, sure they get low. Ain't the same when it's up that close. Make it rain, I'm making it snow. With the pole, I got the back row. I'ma say that I prefer them no flow. I'm into that, all of them in the fool. She threw it back at me, I gave a move. Cash ain't a problem, I know where it goes. She had them apple bottom jeans, boots with